Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ugardong kaseng Republican u Donald Trump ulanang jan siya kajing job kum u President ba South Hunyo kari Amerika hakas ngi balang. Wat laya kajing job kajong u 4 bena Henry na kidaw kidak kishin kibapaw u Trump dan jing eshu ban yo syong biang hakashuki President. Haduk menta u Trump ulayo arspa Hunyo ki Electoral College vote bat udan kam setang live vote ban long kumunong job. Henry u Trump u claim up shu ya kajing bena ya kajing job Namar kidak kishin kipaw ba dan jing eshu ban yo ra ya kan nam job. Namar kata u Trump ula ai jingkran shikipaj ba nong kershan ha Palm Beach, Florida. Hadian bakalapaw ba un 1 yang kum u President. Hakani kajingkran u Trump ula ong ba u Blei ula pelaj im nya u Namar kadon kadaw. Kani gade hadian ba ula laj im na kajing syak siat yap kat ba udang penlong ya kajing yalap election katu kane benai menshwa.
Many people have told me that God spared my life for a reason. And that reason was to save our country and to restore America to greatness. And now we are going to fulfill that mission together. We're going to fulfill that mission. The task before us will not be easy, but I will bring every ounce of energy, spirit, and fight that I have in my soul to the job that you've entrusted to me. This is a great job. There's no job like this. This is the most important job in the world. They said, he will start a war. I'm not going to start a war. I'm going to stop wars. But this is also a massive victory for democracy and for freedom. Together, we're going to unlock America's glorious destiny. We're going to achieve the most incredible future for our people.